Let's have a look at question 20 now. So if the company can halve the theta, the cost of effort, by making some adjustments to the workplace, then the salary that the worker is willing to accept will be reduced by this amount. So what is the intuition here? The idea is that if the company reduces the cost of effort for the worker is going to work in a more pleasant environment. It's going to be easier for him to do the work. And because it's easier to work, he can accept in exchange for that a reduction in the salary. That's the idea. Now, at the moment, this is the salary that he is getting. This is the wage that he is getting. So let's just copy paste it over here below and compare it to what would be the new wage. So the new wage that the company is willing to give him would have a theta that is half of what is happening now. So the new theta would be just half of it, so which is 0.5 times theta. That would be the new cost of effort, which makes the new wage would be V minus 1 gamma squared divided by 2 multiplied with 0.5 times theta. So 0.5 times theta. Now let's see what these wages would be. Let's solve them one next to each other because we'll need to compare them. Over here the wage is V minus 1 gamma squared divided by 2 theta, and on the other side we would have a new wage, which is V minus 1 gamma squared divided by 2 times 0.5, that's 1 theta. Now what we said is that if the worker accepts this this new wage, right, when the cost of effort is reduced, he's willing to accept a reduction in this salary. So in other words, we want to know the difference from the new wage that he would get and the current wage that he has. So the difference between the new wage and the previous wage. Let's see by how much the salary can be reduced. So that would be the difference. That would be the difference from this term, V minus 1 gamma squared over 1 theta. So V minus 1 gamma squared divided by 1 theta. Then minus from the other term next to it. So from this term over here, which is V minus 1 gamma squared divided by 2 theta. Let's work out the math to see what we get over here, and we will have V minus 1 gamma squared divided by 1 theta minus V, and then minus becomes a plus, so plus 1 gamma squared divided by 2 theta. Now what do we have? V minus V cancels out, so V minus V goes away, and we have here gamma squared over theta, and here we also have gamma squared over theta, but the coefficients are different. Over here we have the coefficient of minus 1, and here we have plus a half. Now minus 1 plus a half is equal to minus 1 over 2. So minus 1 over 2 multiplied with gamma squared divided by theta. What is this? This is the difference in wages. This is by how much we can reduce the salary. This is the amount by how much we can reduce the salary. In other words, if we look also at the answer key, then they say that the salary can be reduced by 1 over 2 gamma squared divided by theta, which is what we just found. So the answer is true, and we are done.